Last period we discussed about internal structures of the earth. Today we start the classification of igneous rocks. Classification of igneous rock. In igneous rocks are classified: acidic igneous rocks, intermediate igneous rocks, basic igneous rocks, and ultra basic igneous rocks. Two types of classification present in igneous rocks: in silicate base and rock structure base. In silicate based classification, it is important classification. How to identify the igneous rocks? First, you just observe the classification, various types of minerals present in various types of rocks. The definition of rocks: it is aggregates of minerals. Lava comes over the surface and spread out, and that solids are called as igneous rock. This is the simple definition of igneous rock. Now we see the classification of igneous rock. First class in silicate based igneous classification. First class, acidic igneous rocks. Second, intermediate igneous rocks. Third, basic igneous rocks. And fourth is ultra basic igneous rocks. First we see the acidic igneous rocks. What is acidic igneous rock? Silicate percentage more than 65%. That types of rocks are called as acidic. Silicate percentage more than 65 are called as acidic igneous rocks. Then intermediate igneous rocks. In intermediate igneous rocks, silica percentage in between 55 to 65 in between. To 55% जास्त आणि 65% कमी, in between 55 to 65 SiO2 present. That types of rocks are called as intermediate igneous rock. This is the second classified igneous rocks. And third, basic igneous rocks. What is basic igneous rocks? Silica percentage more than 45 to 55%. In between 45 to 55. How many silica present in basic igneous rocks? 45 to 55% SiO2 present. Si present. And lastly, last types of class of igneous, it is ultra basic igneous rocks. Ultra basic igneous rocks less than 45 . silica percentage less than 45 silica percentage are called as ultra basic igneous rocks. These are the silica based classification present in igneous rock. All of you understand? अग्निजन्य खडक, मराठीत आपण इग्नियस रॉकला काय म्हणतो, अग्निजन्य खडक म्हणतो. आणि अग्निजन्य खडकामध्ये वर्गीकरण त्याचं 4 वर्गामध्ये केलेलं आहे. त्याचं पहिलं वर्गीकरण केले ऍसिडिक इग्नियस रॉक, त्याचं दुसरं वर्गीकरण केले इंटरमिडिएट इग्नियस रॉक्स, त्याचं तिसरं वर्गीकरण आहे बेसिक इग्नियस रॉक्स आणि चौथं आहे अल्ट्रा बेसिक इग्नियस रॉक्स. आता अग्निजन्य खडक प्रामुख्याने या 4 मध्ये विभागलेले आहेत. आपण अग्निजन्य खडकाची उदाहरणं पाहतो, बेसाल्ट, ग्रॅनाइट, सायनाइट, पेरिडोटाइट, डोलाइट. दीज आर द एक्झाम्पल्स प्रेझेंट इन इग्नियस रॉक्स. तर आता ऍसिडिक मध्ये कोणतं एक्झाम्पल आहे, इंटरमिजिएट मध्ये कोणतं एक्झाम्पल आहे, बेसिक इग्नियस रॉक्स मध्ये कोणतं आहे आणि अल्ट्रा बेसिक्स मध्ये कोणतं आहे. आता हे झाले सिलिका बेस्ड क्लासिफिकेशन. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड? इन एक्झाम write a short notes on silica based classification of igneous rocks. At that time you write down these 4 types: acidic igneous rock, intermediate igneous rock, basic igneous rock and ultra basic igneous rocks. And just you have to one word important, this percentage, silica percentage more than 65 present in that types of rocks are called as acidic igneous rocks. Then intermediate igneous rock, in between 55 to 65 silica present are called as intermediate igneous rocks. In between 45 to 55 present, that like these structures present at that time, you write down that classified of basic igneous rocks. And lastly, less than 45% silica present in that rocks are called as ultra basic igneous rocks. All of you understand what is the silica based classification of igneous rock? Okay. याच्या डिटेल नोट्स या PDF फाईल मध्ये दिले आहेत, त्या तुम्ही लिहून घ्या. डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऍसिडिक इग्नियस रॉकचं दिले, इंटरमिडिएट इग्नियस रॉकचं दिले, बेसिक इग्नियस रॉक दिले, अल्ट्रा बेसिकचं दिले. नाउ वी स्टार्ट बेस्ड इन कलर इंडेक्स. आता अनदर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इग्नियस रॉक, कलर बेस्ड इंडेक्स इग्नियस रॉक्स. तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपलं काय बघायचं आहे, second classification based on color index. Based on color index. It is important classification of igneous rocks. First, rocks rich felsic mineral. Rocks rich felsic minerals, light colors present, are called as leucocritic. Acidic and alkali feldspar present. Acidic and alkali present. एक्झाम्पल काय त्याचं एक्झाम्पल आहे सिम्पली ग्रॅनाइट. इक्वल साइज ग्रेन प्रेझेंट इन ल्युकोक्रिटिक, ऍसिडिक अँड अल्कली या क्लासिफिकेशन्स मध्ये तुम्हाला ग्रेन साइज हे इक्वल त्याच्यामध्ये पाहायला मिळतात. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज फर्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ फॅल्सिक मिनरल्स, लाईट कलर. याच्यामध्ये लाईट कलरचे मिनरल जर प्रेझेंट असतील तर दॅट इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट क्लासिफाईड इन दिस टाइप. देन सेकंड, इंटरमिडिएट इग्नियस रॉक्स. Intermediate igneous In these rocks, intermediate igneous rocks, color index between acidic, basic and mesocritic, example cyanide. Mesocritic, example grain size are some unequal grains present. Third, falsic minerals. चौथ्या याच्यामध्ये फॅल्सिक मिनरल्स, डार्क कलर मिनरल्स त्याच्यामध्ये पाहायला मिळतात आपल्याला. डार्क कलर मिनरल्स प्रेझेंट. याच्या उलट नेमकं फर्स्टच्या, इफ लाइट कलर मिनरल प्रेझेंट आर कॉल्ड एज ल्युकोक्रिटिक and dark color minerals present are called as melanocritic. This word is important word. Melanocritic and leucocritic हे दोन शब्द तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवा. In between classified, what is leucocritic, example granite, and melanocritic, example basalt. In practical, you study megascopic study. At that time, you observe these rocks, you observe these rocks, and distinguish between these two. At that time, you observe what is fine grain, what is unequal grains. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही प्रत्यक्ष प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये पाहाल की ल्युकोक्रिटिक कशाला म्हणायचं आणि मेलॅनोक्रिटिक कशाला म्हणायचं, ज्यावेळेस ग्रॅनाइटचं स्ट्रक्चर्स आपण पाहिल्यानंतर त्याच्यामध्ये जे डॉट 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 दिसतात तर ते तुम्हाला इक्वल साईजचे दिसतात. आणि याच्यामध्ये बेसाल्टमध्ये जर पाहिलं तुम्ही तर मेलॅनोक्रिटिक हे दोन शब्द त्या ठिकाणी महत्वाचे. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड these types of classification. And lastly, ultra basic igneous rocks. In ultra basic igneous rocks, size very dark colors minerals. In first, we observe light color, dark color, and in ultra basic, very dark color. Very dark color mineral present. Very dark color minerals. Pedratite, that is the example of pedratites. All of you understand this important classification of igneous rocks. It is silica based classification and darkness based classifications. These four subtypes present. It's classified, igneous are classified these four ways: leucocritic, mesocritic, melanocritic. These three words are important words present in that classification. तुम्हाला हे तीन शब्द लक्षात ठेवायचे, म्हणजे तुम्हाला क्लासिफिकेशन आलं, हे तीन शब्द आले आणि त्याचं एक्झाम्पल आलं आणि मेगास्कोपिक स्टडीमध्ये तुम्ही मिनरल्स बघितले तर जस्ट यू कॅन इझिली आयडेंटिफाय द नेम ऑफ दॅट रॉक्स. ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टँड. नाउ वी स्टार्ट नेक्स्ट टेक्स्चर ऑफ इग्नियस रॉक्स. What is texture and structure? Texture, the definition of texture: size, shape and arrangement. Texture, definition of texture. What is definition of texture? Size, shape and arrangement. igneous rocks or that solids. Or that solids are called as texture of igneous rock. This is the simple definition of igneous rocks. Various types of igneous rocks present and various types of textures present. Then types of texture. In igneous rock, two types of textures present. Number one, first type, equigranular texture. Equigranular texture. And number two, inequigranular textures. These two types of texture present in igneous rock. What is equigranular texture? The definition of equigranular texture: in that types of solids, in that of igneous types of rocks, the grain size are equal. The grain size are equal grain size. If rock consists of mineral, almost equal size grains present. Equigranular textures, equal size grain present are called as equigranular texture. Its characteristics present in granite. Example, तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी ग्रॅनाइट रॉक बघितलेला आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये जे डॉट्स आपण किचन मध्ये वापरतो, आपण ग्रॅनाइट बसवला का त्यावेळेस तुम्ही बघितलं तर त्याच्यामध्ये पांढऱ्या रंगाचे डॉट्स असतात, काही मध्ये पिंक रंगाचे डॉट्स असतात आणि त्याचा आकार जर पाहिला तुम्ही, त्याची साईज जर पाहिली तर दे आर इक्वल्स प्रेझेंट. हेन्स द टाइप्स ऑफ टेक्स्चर्स प्रेझेंट इन एनी रॉक्स ऑफ इग्नियस that are called as equigranular texture present in that rocks, or that textures are called as equigranular texture. All of you understand what is equigranular texture? And then second types in equigranular texture. In this texture, grain size are not equal. Some grains, big grains present, some small grains present. That types of textures are called as inequigranular textures. Inequigranular textures, example, the grain size are not equal. Inequigranular texture, porphyroid structures present, crystals called phenocryst are generally present in equigranular textures. All of you understand what is equigranular texture and what is inequigranular texture. These two textures, equigranular textures and inequigranular texture, it is important textures present are called as present. It generally comes in the textures of igneous rocks. All of you understand the types of texture, equigranular and inequigranular. Next period we study the structure of igneous rocks. In this topic, ढोबळमानानं आपण मागच्या काही तासिकेमध्ये अग्निजन्य खडकाची व्याख्या पाहिली, खडकांचे प्रकार बघितले आणि त्यामध्ये प्रामुख्याने आपण वर्गीकरण बघितलं, क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ igneous rocks based on silica base and classification of igneous rocks, basic, dark igneous rocks and felsic igneous rocks and ultra basic igneous rocks. And now we studied texture of igneous rocks, and last parts of this topic, the structures of igneous rocks, we study on next video. Thank you.